lakes, and also rivers, and nice parts of the ocean, fountains, and bathtubs. Woo! Our kayaks work well with paddle boarders and sandwiches and golf courses, but keep a sharp eye out for waterfalls, picnic tables, bikers, rocky bluffs, and whatever this place is. Finally, avoid colorful ring tunnels and towers of coolers, and do not end up on the tops of those towers. Keep it safe out there, everyone.
Cruise, explore, and fish with kayaking's most well-rounded performer, the Pescador. The Pescador series of sit-on-top kayaks are designed to be the best all-around boats for the money. Unmatched comfort, stability, speed, and straight tracking performance make it fun for even new paddlers to explore lakes, ponds, and flatwater rivers. Ready to fish right out of the box, the Pescador is loaded with features. Molded-in rod and cup holders are standard, and multiple gear tracks and a solo mount recess make it easy to customize, with accessories like cameras and fishing rod holders. A covered oval hinged hatch allows for extra dry cargo and ease of access, and a larger tank well is sure to fit popular fishing crate sizes, giving you more comfort for your money. The Pescador seat outperforms comparable models with thick ergonomic padding and an adjustable seat back for personalized support. Rugged and low maintenance, the Pescador features Perception's legendary one-piece roto-molded high-tech polymer construction for superior UV, impact, and abrasion resistance. Proudly designed, molded, and hand-assembled in the USA and available in a variety of colors, the Pescador is a great choice for all-around comfort and performance. To learn more, visit your local authorized Perception Kayaks dealer.
Bye.